Hello everyone, welcome back to Weatherman Nick. So today we are going to be talking about our concerns of the severe weather for today. Today is going to be one of the outbreaks that many people are going to be concerned about, and one of those people will be me. I hope most of y'all are weather aware, and ready for this event. So, for the people that's in advanced risk. One of those people is me. I will be storm chasing from home today, at home. So I will be sending out videos of things that I may catch. There's not 100% possibility that I'll get something. But I am mostly prepared for today. If anything happens, especially around my counties and my state. But Mississippi and Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, some of Illinois, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey are all in a risk, and Georgia, Louisiana, and Arkansas, Missouri, and a little bit of Florida. So those are all the people that are in a risk for today. If you're in these areas, stay weather aware. Pay attention to any of radars. Pay attention to your local weathermen. Pay attention to Ryan Hall, y'all. Pay attention to a lot of people that are going to be storm chasing today. But today looks interesting. Today we have a hatched risk of 10% for Alabama, Tennessee, and Mississippi. And this event is going to be mostly wind driven, with high winds up to 60 to 70 miles per hour. Mostly that high, which is higher than it's ever been. Tornadoes will be a possibility, mostly likely, especially up in the central parts of Alabama and Mississippi. And it's just going to be a it's going to be a wind-driven event. Hail is a possibility, but it's not a big possibility. It's more towards, again, it's a little bit more towards central Mississippi, but a little bit of central Alabama is also kind of in it. So, if anything happens, I will be updating you guys. By the time it hits us, it's going to be about 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. We're going to have a lot of flooding. This is a flooding event too, so make sure, to remember, don't turn around and don't drown. Don't drive into flooded roadways. Don't drive into anything like that. And just be watching any weather type of things. And we'll go ahead and look at future radar. So currently we only have one severe storm, and it is down here towards Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And it's only a special weather statement. And then, of course, we got a lot of flooding going on up here. So if you are in these areas, please do not drive into flooded roadways. And, if water gets close to your house, evacuate immediately. It's not safe. And we're mostly watching this line of storms that is coming. Let me fix that. It's not severe right now, but it will be severe by the time it gets into better environment, like around Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia, Tennessee, and all these areas that have been issued under a lot. This was the wind-driven event, or the event from yesterday. There was tornadoes, but I was not really chasing enough to know anything. But there was a lot of hail, so 1 inch. This has 2 inches. Nor Memphis. Poor Memphis got hit pretty hard. But it's looking pretty severe for today. We're going to go ahead and pull up our future radar here. Okay, so here's our future radar, and hopefully it works. That's what it's going to look like, mostly. And of course, you could see actually some supercells up there. It's not really showing much, but we're gonna go ahead and look at another model. I think that's the same model, isn't it? Yes. We'll look at NAM.
Saturday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s.
A little different. It's showing rounds of storms, and then it's just showing future. But today is, I'm just trying to get a better look. GFS, there we go. This will show a lot better of what today is going to look like. And this time I will post this video. Yeah, it looks pretty severe. And we'll also look at Cape, which last time I looked at it, it wasn't really looking nice. A lot of these storms are pretty severe, and also, if the weather radio is bothering y'all, I'm sorry, I'm just listening to it. There's a lot of Cape in the air. Alright. So about 6 p.m. it starts to calm down, but there's still Cape in the air. And then it leaves out by Sunday.
The metropolitan area weather conditions at 8 a.m. In Huntsville, at the International Airport, skies were cloudy.
There is another event for, I've been watching on the 25th, 23rd. There's looking like another strong event. But we're focusing on this one right now. But that's all I got on this radar. We're going to go ahead and look at one more. So today we're going to just look at radar scope. And you could see some of these storms that look like little bits of rain. Looks different on radar scope. But there's nothing in Alabama. Actually, clouds are actually clearing out, which is something that's not always good. But there is a few showers located in Alabama, like a little bit. Itsy bitsy showers. Most of the storms are down here towards Louisiana right now, and Arkansas and Arkansas and Louisiana. But that's all we got for now. I want to see if I can look at the clouds. I don't think I can because I don't have the updated version. Yeah. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching this short video. Stay weather aware. Keep your eyes on the weather, and if you live in any of the, I don't know what's going on. If you live in any of these areas that I mentioned in the first part of the video, be weather aware, because tornadoes are possible, mostly in Mississippi and Alabama, central part of Mississippi and Alabama. Like I said, stay weather aware, and enjoy your day.